Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be telling you how you can change your wallpaper on Mac. So first of all, what you need to do is on your Mac you need to choose the Apple menu, then you're gonna go into system settings, then you're gonna click wallpaper in the sidebar. Now you may need to scroll down. Now select a wallpaper from one of the available categories. Dynamic wallpapers, these images brighten and darken based on the time of the day. Landscape, city, underwater, and aerials, these still images show dramatic views. Shuffle aerials, these still images change at an interval you set. Now pictures, they just stay still. And then colors, these swatches apply a solid color background for your desktop. Now what you need to do is you need to set options for your wallpaper. So it could be turn on a slow motion aerial, or it could choose how often to shuffle, or choose light to dark versions. Now that's how you can basically put on a different wallpaper or change your wallpaper on the Mac. Now if you want to add a custom wallpaper, you're gonna go into your Apple menu, system settings, then gonna click on wallpaper again. Now you're gonna add a photo from your photo library. So you're gonna click on add photo button, then you're gonna click from photos, then select the photo. Now you're gonna add an image file, and then you will be able to choose that file as your wallpaper. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.